So my name is Daniel Parish. I'm with water production. I'm a plant manager for the Ray Roberts water treatment plant. We bring in water from the lake. We introduce some chemicals to it. Those chemicals pull the dirt and the mud and bugs and everything else out of the water. I think that for the most part, when it comes to maybe people that are not familiar with the utility for the water that they have available, I think that it's just that they don't know that there's always someone there 24/7, day or night, that's making sure that we have clean water, safe water. A lot of people got into like a COVID hobby or something. There's a lot of fun to 3D printing, especially when it comes to like if you're trying to prototype something. But the one way I found to really share it with people that I work with is through the water towers. The intention, the goal was to initially have a water tower that I could share with my staff and explain to them like the different size comparisons. So that was the intention, was to model the 6 remote sites that we have out there. You can also tell just the age on these things. This is Riney Road. It was the next tower to be built, and you can totally different layout on how it was designed. It's been fun for sure. Everything that is on here right now has been hand modeled, essentially, taken measurements, slowly building it and carving it out and making it come to life, essentially. And the science, the chemistry, the physics that go into getting the water to get clean, to become clean. I think that's really interesting to me and to the people that are here in this department, for sure. It's almost like a family to some degree. We're all coming together to make other lives better, to make things better for our city. And that's really good. That's probably my favorite part, is just being able to share that same mentality with so many people.